Right now, the Bitcoin bull flag is still not breaking out, and in this exact video, I will be going over my date where I am expecting the next big Bitcoin move is going to be happening. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. It's going to be extremely important. I will be talking basically about the current ongoing market structure. I will talk about the current ongoing patterns. I will be talking about the most important support, the most important events that are about to happen within 5 days from now on, my trade, and much more important stuff here. So don't forget to slap up that like button. Can we once again smash it back above 400? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. Once really looking at the imminent short term, yeah, there are not a lot of new things happening, and actually since we started to push up towards the upside, we've been basically consolidating sideways for already 7 days right now here, and I do not think that this is a weird scenario to have. First of all, it's very good because we're consolidating around the $23,000 target, what is actually very good because right now we are building a base above this price for Bitcoin. And if I am going to be opening up the 3-day time frame, we can currently clearly still see Bitcoin is still creating a bull flag here on the 3-day time frame, also on the 4-hourly time frame, and basically so far we just have not seen a breakout yet so far, so we're still waiting for a potential break of this bull flag. Currently we are significantly in a bullish bias trend here. We're creating higher lows, we're creating higher highs, and like you can see, this was a very exponential run up towards the upside. The second one was a little bit less exponential, and in case the next run up is going to be also less exponential for Bitcoin, it could signal that we're somewhere very close towards a potential top of this short-term movement towards the upside. However, as long as we're creating a bull flag, I'm going to remain bullish on the bigger picture for Bitcoin. If we do break below it towards the lower side, my next big targets of support are around that $21,000 because the $21,000, like you can see right here, has been previously around very strong resistance. And if I'm going to be opening up the chart on the bigger time frame, you can also clearly see that here it was also providing very strong support slash resistance. Here it was providing support, here also. And for me, I don't really think we're going to be reaching this level unless, and here it comes, unless we break below that 22.6k. So this blue box right here, the blue box right here, like you can see, first was providing resistance. Ever since we broke above it, it is providing support. So as long as we're trading above this blue box right here, that is definitely going to be bullish for Bitcoin. As soon as we do have a confirmed breakout below it, then I am targeting $21,000, and $21,000 is also the exact point where I will be adding more margin. But currently we have been consolidating for over 5 days in this exact Bitcoin bull flag already, and the question remains, when is it going to be breaking out? When is it going to be a breakout? That is what everyone is asking me right now. And if I'm going to be looking at important dates where the market is really waiting for, it is really February the 1st, because on February the 1st we will get the next interest rate hike decision, and that usually has a big effect on the market, also with the speech of Jerome Powell. So really what I think is that markets are going to stay boring until the next FOMC meeting is, and if the FOMC meeting is there, that is also the point where we will be probably experience more volatility in the market. So please make sure that this is probably the day that we will be experiencing a lot of volatility, and this day is still going to take another 5 days. So on February the 1st, that is the point where I will be expecting more volatility to hit the markets. And if I'm looking at my trade, what I'm really going to do with it right now, because basically for the past 5 days we have been consolidating sideways and not a lot of new developments have been playing out. So what I will be doing with my trade right now here is just keep my trade open. If we do break towards the downside towards $21,000, that is a point where I will be adding more margin towards my trades. I will be adding approximately 33% more margin towards my trade. If we confirm a break above this previous high right here, and we confirm a break above $24,000, that is also the point where it will also add 10 to 20% more margin towards my trade, because then we're confirming a bullish breakout towards the upside. So basically I am planning to scale up my trade, and really what I would like to see here is that Bitcoin is going to be having a retracement. Bitcoin moves down, and once it moves down, that is the point where I will be able to add more margin towards it. So this is basically how we will be trading the market. If you're interested in trading the market yourself as well, you could do so through Bybit or BitGet. Bybit is currently allowing you to get a $30,000 deposit bonus if you sign up an account using the link in the description. So make sure to check it out right now here. And if you're living in the US, you can use BitGet and also claim a $20,000 deposit bonus. and you can trade there without KYC and VPN. Furthermore, looking at the 12-hour time frame, you can really see that Bitcoin is really getting supported by this very important level in the market. This green box right here is previously around, got us rejected, found a support right here, and right now is also finding a support around this level right here. So far we're still holding on towards this level, and as long as we're doing so, it's going to be actually quite all right here. And on the daily time frame, you can really see if we break below that level, that the $21,000 is really the next big level of support. So that is also how we will be trading this. And actually, if we do break bearish, we break towards the downside, I mean, I really wish I can add some more margin towards my trade, and yeah, if we come down to $21,000, it's really going to be allowing me to open up this bigger trading position right here, and it's also going to be good for the markets to have a small little retracement here. So yeah, let's see how it's going to be playing out here. Currently, the RSI is also significantly cooling off here. On the daily time frame, we can see the same. The RSI is cooling off a little bit here, but still, there is more room to go here, because once looking at the 3-day RSI, you can see that we're just getting started to get overbought, and historically speaking, you can see that on the 3-day time frame, the RSI tends to go overbought for a longer period of time. And in the previous bear market recovery phase, we started to get overbought from the initial run up here towards approximately $5,000, and then we stayed overbought for a very long time till we reached $14,000, and that was even another 2.5x from of that point onward. So what I want to be pointing out right here is that yes, we're overbought, but this is only a more bullish signal, because we could stay overbought for way longer, and it's a signal that the market is finally showing some strength again. So yeah, this was it. This was it for me on today's update video. It was a short one, but yeah, there are not a lot of new developments happening. I'm waiting for the bull flag to break out here. I'm still looking at this pattern. 1st of February, save the date. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I will be live streaming this event as well. But anyways, this was it for me on today's update video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.